Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today's video is going to be just a really quick kitchen clean. I'm not going to be doing a deep clean because I just did that, but I wanted to kind of do a quick clean in here and then actually go on over and tackle that microwave cart. The storage in there is insane, so I wanted to go ahead and get in there and clean that out and declutter it. So if you would like to see how that all turned out, then just keep on watching. So like I said, this is not going to be a deep clean of the kitchen. I just wanted to get the dishwasher unloaded and reloaded, go ahead and get the countertop swiped off and put anything away that needed to be put up. If you're interested in seeing the kitchen deep clean video, I will go ahead and link that in the cards above. But for right now, I'm just going to go ahead and get this straightened up, and then we will move on into the decluttering. So now that we've got the kitchen all cleaned up, I'm going to go ahead and move on over to the microwave cart and get that straightened up. I know that I have said so many times how much I hate this thing, but we have very limited space in the kitchen and very limited storage, so we have to take advantage of what we've got. A lot of this stuff is just trash, and I needed to just go through it all and decide what I was going to keep. So these flex bins I found at Walmart, they were only $5. The ones that I currently had were from the Dollar Tree. Some of them were broken. Things just didn't fit right. So these were really pliable, as well as these ones here that I got from Target. So I thought this would be a great fit, and that's what I wanted to try here today. So this I wanted to show you. I thought it was kind of funny. You know, a lot of times that we get things like that as gifts and we just toss them aside and don't think that we're ever going to need them. But in the time that we're in right now, that little hand sanitizer was golden to me. I did give it to Ruben, and I told him to make sure he kept it in his car so he would have something with him all the time. But make sure you go back and check. I know a lot of us get things like that for Christmas and birthdays, and we just kind of set them aside and don't think that we're ever going to need them, and we do. So now that I've got everything cleaned out and pretty much organized, it makes me feel so much better to open up these drawers. I know it may not look very different, but I promise you I got a ton of stuff thrown away. Like I said, we don't have a lot of storage, so this made it a little bit easier. We do have a lot of stuff just like everybody else does in junk drawers. We just don't have a lot of places to put it. But this really did help, and I'm so glad that I did it. If you have any spots in your house that you need to declutter, take this time to do that. I'm really glad that you came by to watch this video today. Make sure you're subscribed before you go. I love you and I appreciate you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.